Welcome back, everybody. My name's Andy, and purposes of this video is that I need to get a replacement for my daily. So just to give you a brief overrun, I'm sat in it now. This is my 1999 Ford Mondeo Mark II Gear X, and it's on 105,000 miles now, and it's done me bloody well, to be honest. Over the summer it's been a fantastic car, but like all old Fords, it's getting a bit tired. It is now 26 years old, to be fair, and it's showing signs of getting tired, and I've got stuff to do it. You know, I've got replacement bumpers, and you know, things like the wheel arches. I'll show you the wheel arches. Actually, they're probably the worst. Last MOT, you know, it's had welding, the usual for this sort of age of car, and it needs arches. Bumpers will need doing as well because they're cracked and stuff. And obviously I don't really want to use this old girl over the winter. I want to preserve it. You know, there's a lot of history behind this car. I will, please comment if you want me to do a full history of this, just like the history behind the car and a full walk round. And I shall do one, because I haven't actually done one on the channel, because people still class them as modern cars. They're not really that modern now. It's 26 years old, as I keep saying. So the idea is I am going to pick up a replacement for this, and this is what the video is going to be about. You will pick me up in the video starts with me at Exeter Services. I've been down to stay at my brother's tonight to split the journey up because it's such a long way away, this car, and that's when I start filming. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Good morning, everyone. So this morning is quite an exciting morning because I am off to Cornwall to buy a new daily to replace my Ford Mondeo, which is now getting on a bit, needs a bit of TLC. So yeah, so I saw this car on Facebook Marketplace, must have been a couple of weeks ago, and it was a very, very reasonable price for the spec. So I got to put a deposit on it, and managed to convince my dear brother to drive me down there. So what I actually did was, so today is Saturday morning, very early. It's we set off at 3 o'clock this morning to try and miss most of the traffic. And what I did, I stayed at my brother's last night because he lives near Reading, which just breaks the journey down a bit because it is such a long way from where I live to the place where the car is in Cornwall. So yeah, so that's the biggest part of it, is the journey really. So we'll get down there. We're already at Exeter now. We've just stopped for a quick toilet break and we'll top up with some fuel, and then from here it will be, I think we've got another couple of hours before we get down there, and then once I get down there I'll make sure the car's all right, but then I shall film it. I probably won't film it, the walk around video there, because the guy's got a business to run, etc, etc. So I shall go somewhere and do a walk round. Fingers crossed it's as good as it looks. It certainly looks a very, very good car, and we shall see. Fingers crossed. So my brother's just putting some fuel in it now. Is he there? Is there somewhere? Oh, there he goes. Yeah, we're just topping up, maxing the old baby up with some go juice, and then we're back on the road again. I think the roads are getting a lot smaller from here onwards. It's all been motorways pretty much down to here. So yeah, we should get going. Cool. Helston, just up the road from where we picked the car up. It was the guy's yard, and there's a lot of houses about, so I didn't want to film down there. But here we go. This is the car. Looking very nice. It's very, very clean as well. With all my stuff over there. The interior is incredibly well kept. Put that in the footwell for the journey home. These Continentals are less than a year old, they're on it. Good size boot nut. And it's got the rarest of hen's teeth, the fold down rear seat in the saloon. Got a few little bits for the journey. Oil, a few odds and sods there. Pop that down there. Check that out, look. Very, very nice. Very good. Got the engine, so we'll have a look at the engine bay. I've done all the fluid checks, that's all good. So yeah, I'm very happy. Very happy with it. So, just got that long journey home now. I'll probably go back to my brother's, break the journey up, and then stay here tonight, and then head to home early Sunday morning. So here I'm at Brothers. I've made it this far, which is fantastic. As you can see, I have done 252 miles, and that was the other side of Helston in Cornwall. And the car was driven like brand new. There's two things. One was the clutch rattle, which I knew about, and the other one is the aircon doesn't work, which isn't the end of the world. I'll get it gassed up. So I'm setting the sat nav now for home. I can't film any of it with my GoPro because it's gone flat, but I will just do a little piece when I get home and just let you know how it went. But yeah, so far so good. This thing's been unbelievable. I mean, look how much fuel I've used. I've used not even half a tank for 250 miles. And bear in mind, this is 21 years old. Remember that, this car. And it drives like new. It's fantastic. Anyway, enough of talking gibberish to the camera. I'm going to sign off for now and make my way home and get it done, get home. And there we are, short distance from where I live. This thing is absolutely purring like a kitten. You can barely hear it. There it is, purring away over there. How cool it is as well. This old M57 engine is absolutely fantastic. Really, really good. Yeah, no smoke coming from the back. Car's locked, can't get in. Right, very, very good. If you look inside, oh, you'll find today I've done 368 miles on a fraction over half a tank. Let me just turn that fan off. Don't get blown away. I've still got 300. I mean, how good is that on fuel? And all I can say is, apart from being tired obviously, that it drives like a new car. Yeah, it's fantastic. So I'd just like to thank my brother for, you know, agreeing to take me down there to get this, because it's been a long day. We set off at 3 o'clock this morning from his place, and I was going to actually sleep at his place near Reading excuse me, tonight, but in the end I thought, no, I'll give it a go and I'll just go straight home. So here I am, and yeah, really happy with the car, I must say. Actually, really am. Very little to do on it. That clutch rattle, that'll be good for at least a couple of years before I need to do anything with that. And I've got, what is it, he did say that the heat shield on the exhaust needed sorting, but he said about them before I bought it, so I knew. So yeah, a big shout to Dom at Cougar BMW Breakers down in South Cornwall. Yeah, very honest about description, reasonably priced car, and I couldn't ask for anything better really. What a machine. And this isn't, obviously this isn't new, this is a 2004. Yeah, so you're 21 years old now, but it just drives immaculate. Engine spot on, gearbox spot on. So yeah, fantastic stuff. Hello again, and check out that for a hairdo. That's why I've been wearing my hat. Wow, that's cosmic. I'm gonna have to get my hair cut. Coming soon, no doubt. But I'd just like to say thank you very much if you've got this far. I really appreciate it, and appreciate all the subscribers. I'm nearly at 600 now, which is, to be honest, mind-blowing. Yeah, love it. Thank you very much, everybody. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, and also comment. I mean, yeah, by all means, what you're thinking there. I really like the car, and I really can't get over how well it's built and how well it drove home, especially for its age. Yeah, it's yeah, amazing, really. If you have never driven one or been in one, give it a go, because you'll be probably surprised just how well they drive. You know, steering, brake, suspension, fantastic. Build quality, amazing. Not a squeak or a rattle. To be fair, it has only done 90,000 miles as well, but there you go, that's the build quality of a BMW. So there we are. But like I said, thank you very much for watching, and I really appreciate everybody. I shall see you in the next video.